Hello everyone. It is very pleasure for me to announce that as President of General Assembly of United Nations, Annalena Baerbock has taken charge, and right now she is head of the United Nations General Assembly's presidential board, and I hope and expect as well that she will do much better than previous administrator of the greatest international organization, because we have witnessed several uncertainties and war and unpeacefulness in previous decades and in their tenure. So I hope her tenure will be so fine, because as she expresses herself and expresses her ideas about peace and management of all the international organization related with the United Nations are really remarkable and admirable. I'm very hopeful that in upcoming years she will prove as one of the best administrator for operating and regulating the system, as she has been given the responsibility for taking forward all the obligations by the international uh, administrators and international bodies, because it is one of the responsible and one of the very uh, tough job, we can say, because she is now in peak of all the designations, and whatever she will decide have to follow all the designators who are maintaining the hierarchy of the systems in various system, or we can say all kind of systems, because everyone is involved or reported in some kind of role of responsibility. So according to that role of responsibilities, each and every individual have to work. So I expect that she will do so much better from her designation, and we will have a very good time and very bright future ahead. So with this great expectation, thank you so much, and keep supporting her. I appeal all of you for running this great international organization, United Nations top designation. Thank you so much to all of you from the bottom.
I invite Her Excellency Annalena Baerbock to take an oath of office. The President-elect will take the oath using the original United Nations Charter.
As President of the General Assembly of the United Nations, I shall discharge these functions and regulate my conduct with the interest of the United Nations only in view and in accordance with the Charter of the United Nations.
We have a special year ahead. Our United Nations turns 80. However, looking around the world from Gaza, Sudan, Ukraine, are we really in a celebrating mood? Definitely not. But it's also not the moment for giving up. This is a moment to come together like 80 years ago, to show the people of the world that we can unite behind our Charter of the United Nations.
This 80th session is our chance. Our chance to make it, not break it. For today, for tomorrow, and for the next 80 years. Showing that we are indeed better together.